It's not enough to listen to lessons and do exercises to make this skill, to speak English, the part of your identity. You may pass an exam, yet the paper in your drawer won't change much if you still don't believe you can use English in practical situations. Therefore, together with starting the exam prep course and practicing the exam tasks, start practicing positive self-talk. The unquestionable expert in this area is Marisa Peer, but let me tell you one thing. The same way you convince yourself you have a bad memory, convince yourself you have a good one. The same way you make yourself believe learning English is difficult and probably you'll never make it, tell yourself the opposite. It's easy and you'll make it to have a better life, better opportunities, better fun. Feed your mind good thoughts and it will give you back threefold.